In this video, I will show you step by step on how to actually upload your YouTube video in the right way without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub, and if you are brand new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post a valuable content about YouTube topic like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how you can actually upload your YouTube video the right way.
Welcome, my friends. So let's see how to upload a YouTube video the right way. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your YouTube account. After you have successfully logged into your YouTube account, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on this plus sign right here, and make sure you click on upload video. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on this icon right here. Then locate your video file from your PC. So right here, I'm going to upload this particular video right here. Then click on open. Alright, so after a successful upload and processing your video, you're going to have a preview like this. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you write a description for your video. I have already write my video description, so I will just go ahead and copy the description and paste it in the description section right here. So here's my description. I will just highlight, then I'll right click, I'll make sure I copy, then I'll go back to my video right here. I will come here and I'll paste the description here. So it's as simple as that. Then I can easily scroll down and see one other thing we can do. So right here, I'm still going to add hashtag to this description to complete the SEO. So we have to go back to my description right here again. So I have about 5 different hashtags. So I'm going to select on this. Then I will right click. I'll make sure I copy. Then I'll head over back to my YouTube studio. Then I'll come to the description section right here. Then I'll make sure I paste it, Ctrl V to paste the hashtag. So I'm done with description and hashtag section. If you don't know how to add description or how to write a perfect description for your YouTube video and how to write hashtag for your YouTube video, consider to check the description of this video. I've made a video on how you can generate this description and hashtag using AI tool for free. Okay, so let's go ahead. So I'm going to scroll down. Then we move into the thumbnail section. So ordinarily, when you upload your video, YouTube is going to give you 3 different thumbnail auto-generate. But it is not always advisable to use YouTube auto-generate thumbnail in order to attract more views. It is advisable you get custom thumbnail. So I'm going to upload my custom design thumbnail. I'm going to click on here. Then I have my thumbnail right here. I'm going to select on the thumbnail. Then I'll click on open. So you can see the custom thumbnail has been fully updated. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, so let's quickly scroll down and move to the playlist section. So if you have a multiple content or you have a variety of topics that you are creating content about on your channel, it is always advisable to create a playlist. This will allow your viewers to be easily navigate to your playlist and watch what they need to watch. So I'm going to add this to the playlist. So you just click on select right here. If you have not created a playlist, it's a very simple step. Just click on create new and give the name of the playlist. Then you are good to go. So I have a playlist for this type of content, which has to do with free virtual phone number. So this is the playlist. So I'm going to select on the playlist. It will be added. Then I'll click on done. So you can see we are done with that section. So let's scroll down and see another thing we can do. All right, under this declaration of whether your content is made for kids or it's not made for kids, so you have to declare so that YouTube will understand the kind of content you are putting on right here. So yes, it is made for kids. So if you are doing a content for kids, you have to indicate. But if your content is not for kids, just click on no. So this content here is not for kids. That is why I choose no right here as a default. So we can scroll down and paid promotion section, you are less concerned unless you run a promo or you run advertisement in your video. If not, then skip that. Then let's scroll down. And so the next section here has to do with tags. Tag is also a key factor that allow your video to pump up each time people are searching for the keywords of your video. For instance, somebody are looking for how to get free US phone number. Your title, your description, and your tag will give you opportunity to appear on the search engine on YouTube. So you have to add a relevant tags. So the first thing you can do at this point here is to come to the top on your video title to perfect your SEO. Come to the video title right here, press Ctrl A to highlight, Ctrl Z to copy. Then you have to go back to your tag section. Then come to your tag section right here, press Ctrl V to paste. Okay. Then you can also add at least 3 relevant hashtag into your tag section right here. So for you to do that, just let me just go to my hashtag right here. So I'll highlight this first one and I'll press Ctrl C to copy this hashtag. Then I'll go back to the tag section and I'll come here and paste. Then I'll go back to my description again. I need to copy about 3 different hashtags. So I need how to get US number. I'll highlight, Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll go back to my tag section. Then Ctrl V to paste. And the very last one, I'll go back to my description at the top. So I need factual number thieves. Ctrl C to copy. Then I will scroll down and I will go back to tag section. Then Ctrl V to paste. Okay, so after you have done this, then the next thing you need to do is to add a relevant tag that can match your YouTube title. Okay, now by default, if you have FeedIQ installed on your PC, FeedIQ is one of the tools that allow you to generate free title and free tags for your YouTube video. If you have it on your PC, you are going to be given a suggested tags, just like what you see right here. So how to get a free US number for verification, I'm going to add that. This is because it relates to the title of this video. Then how to get free US phone number from any country, I'm going to add that also. It's very much relevant to my keyword. Then I'll check on the third suggested keyword, free US number for WhatsApp 2023. I'm going to add that also. So I have about 227 character added already, and we are going to be had maximum of 500 tags. Okay, now we have to go back to my tag section right here, and I'll begin to type in some suggested keyword that I'm good. It's going to be fine with this video. Free phone number, then press enter. So we have added that. Free USA phone number, enter. We're going to add that. Free USA number, enter. We're going to add that. Okay, so I'm going to fast track this video right here at this tag typing section. Just follow up with the screen and see how you can manually add tags to your YouTube video. Okay, alright, so as you can see right here, the tag has been completely 500. So that is the maximum we can add in the tag section. So let's quickly scroll down and see one other thing we can do right here. So right here, you have to declare if you can allow people to generate YouTube short from this particular long video. So as for me, I always turn off that. So do not allow remixing of my content. So I have to, then we have to scroll down. So under the comment section right here, you have to tell if you want people to put comments in your video. So you have to click on comment moderation, then click on none. If you want people to comment on your video, then choose none. If you want to determine the rate at which comment should be put on video. You can determine it either basic or strict or hold all comments before you can approve it. So let me quickly scroll up to the top so I can see if there is any other thing we can do at this section right here. So we have done with tags, we have done with hashtag, we have done with thumbnail, we have done with description and hashtag, and the title is perfect. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on next right here. So at this section here, if your channel has been fully monetized, this is a right way to choose a monetization option for video that is longer than 8 minutes. So for you to monetize your video, you have to come here, click on this button right here, then click on then click on done. Like I said earlier, if your video is more than 8 minutes long, then you can place a multiple ads. So for you to do that, just click on review placement. Then it's going to take you to this particular window right here. So you can place multiple ads. So after 2 minutes to 30 seconds, I'm going to add one ad break. Then right here, after 5 minutes up to 6 minutes, I will add another ad break. So once you are done with the ad break, you can come here, click on continue. At this section here, we click on next. Under the ad suitability section, this is where you need to determine the kind of tools you use to produce your content and what your content is all about. So this is where you're going to define it. So it's going to tell YouTube if they can eventually post ads on your video. So you have to satisfy if your content gone through any of these options right here. So you have to tell YouTube. But if otherwise, just scroll down and make sure you click on none of the above right here. Click on none of the above. After click on none of the above, then you have to come back here and scroll to the top and make sure you click on submit rating. Alright, so you can see right here that the video has been fully checked, so there is no any issue. Next thing we want to do here is to click on next right here. So video element section, this allows you to add subtitle to your video. If you have a subtitle video file, then you can drop it right here. Just click on add and then bring in your file. Then each time people watching your video, it will translate it on the screen of the video based on the language you upload. Then the second element you can add right here is that you can promote a new video or old video that is related to the content or relates to one of your playlists on your YouTube video. Then end card is also another means of promoting a content or promoting the future content on your YouTube channel. So if you don't need any of this tab, just keep again and then click on next. Alright, so at this point here, under the visibility, you'll be able to see the preview of the video and the title, how it's going to look like on YouTube, just like what you see right here. Then you can easily scroll down and see the look of everything and the options that is available for publish, such as private section here, unlisted, members only, and public. So at this section you have to click on public because you want to publish the video. Immediately you select on public, then this is going to be more active. Then click on published. So your video has been successfully published. Then you can share the video to Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, X, email, then Reddit, VK, OK, Pinterest, Blogger, Thumbnail, Mix, etc. and Google+. So these are the different options that you can use to share your video to get more visibility, more views, and more traction of your video, most especially if you just upload the video. So this is a step-by-step on how you can upload and monetize your YouTube video without any stress. Complete tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn the notification bell, so each time I post content about YouTube topic like this, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.